although people are at home now. But the heart has flown to France. I plan to go out and play after a while. So today we're going to draw a lazy one. Relaxed vacation makeup. Are you going out? It must be beautiful. This makeup is good. It's more advanced. It's more progressive. Then pack it up. Let's use the Essence Water of Chanel. I've been loving it lately. Let me take a picture of him. Then use up. Your face will be slightly sticky. In this case, a layer before your makeup is enough. No makeup? The whole base makeup should be relatively light and breathable, especially in summer. If it is too thick, the skin will feel stuffy. We will use this one directly today. Chanel Beige Fashion. Water Light Air Cushion. I've been really loving it lately. And its delicate packaging this time is also very poking. You see the beige random braided belt design. It's very textured. It is very suitable for you to take with you when you travel. Air Cushion. It comes with a water drop puff. It can take a good picture of your nose, eye circumference, edges, corners. I usually get rid of acne. I like to cover, lighten up like this, and then apply it to your face. This way it will be more even. Let me show you. After the auction is opened, it has this special natural luster. Hempstone Water Light Muscle. It's really bright, my face. And it's really silky. In this way, your makeup application speed will be reduced by more than half. Like my words, aren't there many flaws? I'm just covered with a layer of skin. It looks transparent and clean. Just a headache. God is so skinny, and I'm a high-definition lens. You can't see any powder stems. After simply finishing the first layer, let's brighten up the concealer. Use this, a new Chanel Beige Fashion Concealer. And this is B10. I think its color palette is just right. And the texture belongs to the hydrated hanging. Is this your first time using a ceramic brush head? I feel that his measurement is very accurate. It won't dry out a lot of makeup at once. A little bit in a more sunken place. Let's move it slightly to the bridge of the little nose. You see, he should be this fluffy and brilliant, very filling effect. And the base makeup contour is also super good. Won't rub base makeup. Like this more delicate powder, you can start on several layers without getting stuck. You see? After picking, we will fix it a little bit. We look like this. Use a brush to slowly smudge him open. Today, this weight is really very slow. No. The whole makeup. I still want to keep this gloss. We'll divide it up and set the makeup. Use the Chanel cleansing powder. It must be thorough. Gently press. In this case, it can not only control the oil extraction, it's not completely suppressing the luster. I will use this color first for the eyebrows. Fill the gap at the end of the eyebrow for it. Makeup to lick parents. First use this pink apricot VIP to make a point. One goes up and slightly dyes it. I'm going to go around this place again. I'll give you a second alone. Aegyo Saliva Simple. Twist matte white. Show the Aegyo Saliva here first. For eyelashes, choose the lighter style. Let's do eyeliner again or this one. It is corresponding for everyone to try. Hello everyone, when I first changed the water. When changing later, I think it will look better. Then add the repair part to the design. The mother system here. Head here to brighten it up. The three-dimensional T area has not been brought out. Let's use a little bit of blush there. Also this apricot pink. Use another water light stick. Strengthen this gloss and that one. I just want to change my clothes. Then come and paint a slightly brighter apricot color. I'm in your